course, candidate number 1, sir.
For that wonderful question. If I change Malabon in one day, I'm focusing for the youth. For the youth na nangangailangan po ng edukasyon, kalinga. And alam ko, maraming kabataan na nangangailangan ng kalinga at edukasyon. And alam ko ang Malabon na hindi perfect, pero alam ko nagagampanan ng mabuti at maayos. And maybe better and better community. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Binibining Akasha. Now let's hear it from Binibining Baritan.
Good afternoon, and thank you for that question. Malabon is really a small city, but if you look at the bigger picture, I would like for Malabon to be a safer place, especially for women. I would like to promote the equality, a safer street, women that can roam around, be themselves, and without anyone calling them out for being wrong, or for dressing up this way, or for having fear of going out. I know Malabon can be a small city, but I know it would utter for a lot of change, and it will be a better nation for all of us. Thank you.
And you heard that from Binibining Baritan. Now let's have our Binibining Bayan-Bayanan, please.
Bilang isang mananayaw ng katutubong sayaw sa ating bansa, nais kong baguhin ang Malabon sa pamamagitan ng pag-impluwensya para sa kabataan sa panahon ngayon, upang mas makilala pa ang Malabon, upang mapreserba pa ang ating kultura, dahil naniniwala ako na ang ating kultura ay may sariling kagandahan na dapat nating ipagmalaki. Yun lang. Salamat.
Thank you very much, Binibining Bayan-Bayanan. And now let's hear it from our Ginoos, beginning with Ginoong Akasha.